France is set to become the first Western country to deliver tanks to Ukraine, the French presidency announced Wednesday after talks between Emmanuel Macron and Ukrainian counterpart Volodymyr Zelensky. The move to supply the French-made AMX-10 RC to Ukraine, a light tank model in service since the 1980s that is being phased out in the French military, represents a significant shift in French military support for Ukraine. Paris has already delivered state-of-the-art artillery, armored personnel carriers, anti-aircraft missiles and air defense systems to Ukraine, but Macron has long been wary of antagonizing Russia and breaking off diplomatic contact with Vladimir Putin. The president wanted to increase aid to Ukraine by accepting to deliver AMX-10 RC light tanks, an aide to the French leader told reporters on condition of anonymity after the call between Macron and Zelensky. It is the first time that Western-designed tanks are supplied to the Ukrainian armed forces, he said. NATO allies have gradually ramped up their military support to Ukraine since February last year, delivering increasingly sophisticated weapons systems while also publicly worrying about the risk of escalating the conflict with Moscow. Transfers of fighter jets, long-range missiles and tanks have long been viewed as potentially provocative, risking a more direct confrontation between Russia and the West. It was not immediately clear how many of the French tanks would be dispatched or when they would be delivered, though training and maintenance has been agreed as part of the deal. The French Defense Ministry said the country's defense ministers would soon hold talks. The AMX-10 RC tanks are light and six-wheeled, rather than on tracks. They were designed for reconnaissance missions and have been deployed in France's most recent overseas military operations in the Sahel region of West Africa and in Afghanistan. They are very mobile. Perhaps old but high performance, a French official said. Zelensky on Twitter said he thanked Macron for the decision to transfer light tanks to Ukraine, as well as Bastion armored personnel carriers. "Thank you, friend. Your leadership brings our victory closer," the Ukrainian leader added. Macron has repeatedly riled his Ukrainian allies in the past as well as hawkish Eastern European states over comments seen as focusing on diplomatic solutions to the conflict rather than Ukraine's efforts to repel Russia's occupying forces. In June, he said we must not humiliate Russia. In December, he called for Russia to be offered security guarantees at the end of the conflict. Macron has hardened his rhetoric against the Kremlin in recent weeks, however, accusing Putin of committing war crimes through his cowardly and cynical attacks on Ukrainian infrastructure. In his New Year's Eve message, the French leader addressed Ukrainians, saying, "We will help you until victory and we will build a fair and durable peace. Count on France and count on Europe." The presidential aide said that the French-made Crotale air defense system was already in action in Ukraine, helping guard against drones and missiles. "These systems have arrived and are being used by the Ukrainians and are well received," the aide said.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.